हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं रोहित सिंह आप सभी का वेलकम करता हूं वी स्टडी मैथ के यूट्यूब चैनल पर। आज इस वीडियो में हम आपको पढ़ाने वाले हैं सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 1E चैप्टर नेम रेशनल नंबर फ्रॉम एस चांद बुक। ऑफ क्लास 8th। सो आइए प्यारे बच्चों, इस वीडियो को आज स्टार्ट करते हैं। मैं आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा, प्लीज़ कमेंट योर सजेशन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब वी स्टडी मैथ फॉर योर मैथ एक्सीलेंस। Now, question number 1, the product of two rational number, in short I am writing here r dot n, is negative 12 if one of the number is negative 8, find the other. So this is the question given in this first question. Let's solve this question. So first we write the product of two rational number. Product of two rational number is equal to negative 12. How can we write this product? Let the two number are n1 and n2. Then it can be written as negative 12. n1 is a rational number, first rational number, and n2 is a second rational number. So let this 8 is here n1. Again we are writing here given n1 is equal to negative 8. Now put this value here. So we have negative 8 multiply n2 is equal to negative 12. So now this negative 8 is in here in multiply. When goes this into right hand side, it will going to be in divide. So we can write negative n2 is equal to negative 12 by negative 8. Negative sign cuts negative sign in numerator and denominator, and 4 2 ja 8 and 4 3 ja 12. So n2 will be 3 by 2, and this is the answer of this question. Let's move to the question number 2 without wasting any time. If you like this solution, please comment in the comment section. Question number 2. Question number 2 is that divide the sum of 3 by 8 and negative 5 by 12 by the reciprocal of negative 15 upon 8 multiply 16 upon 27. So this question is important. So the solution very clearly. So given that divide the sum, first we have to find the sum of these two numbers, and we have to divide this sum by the reciprocal of these two numbers. So let's write first what is given. Write according to question. Given that we have to find the sum of first two number, and this sum will be divided by the reciprocal of negative 15 by 8 multiply 16 by 27. Let's move. So how can you find the sum of these rational number? Take the LCM first. 24 will be the LCM. 8 3s are 8 3s are 24. 3 going to multiply this 3 and become 9. Positive negative. This positive sign goes to multiply this negative sign and become negative. 12 2s are and 5 2s are. Now we have to divide this. Write down the reciprocal of these two numbers. So what is the reciprocal of first one? The reciprocal of first one is negative 8 by 15 multiply the reciprocal of second one will be 27 upon 16. Small bracket close. Now solve the first bracket. So we have negative 1 by 24 divided by, my dear students, see here, 3 5s are and 3 9s are. 8 1s are negative time because 8 is negative, and 8 2s are. So now we have negative 9 upon 10 from the second small bracket. Now what we have? So negative 1 by 12 24 remains same. This divide sign now converted into multiply sign. Now again we have to write the reciprocal of negative 9 by 10. So we have negative 1 by 24 multiply. So what is the reciprocal of this number? Negative 10 upon 9, because negative sign is always remain in the numerator. So 12, 2 12s are and 2 5s are. This negative sign will going to multiply this negative sign and become positive. So what we have? We have 5 by 108. And this is the answer of this question, my dear students. I hope you like the solution. If you like the solution, please comment in the comment section. Now move to the next question, question number 3. Question number 3 is that by what rational number should negative 15 by 16 be divided to get negative 5 by 7? Question mark. My dear students, I requested to all, if you like the solution, like the way of teaching, please like my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Question number 4, what we have to do? By what rational number should this number be divided? So according to question, my dear students, negative 15 by 16, we have to divide this number by the number. Let's say this number is x here, and after dividing by x, what we have? We have 5 by 7. So when this x goes to the right hand side, it becomes in multiplication, it goes in multiply. When this number goes here, comes in divide, like this. Negative 15 by 16 divided by negative 5 by 7 is equal to x. And this thing you can understand in that way also. Negative 15 by 16. Now apply the multiply sign at the place of divide. Write the reciprocal of x, this one, and negative 5 by 7. So now we have to find the value of x. So let this x goes to the numerator here. So negative 15 by 16 multiply. This negative 5 comes in the denominator, and this 7 is goes to the numerator, will equal to be x. So this is the second method, second way. This is the second approach to solve this question, and this is also an approach. So we have negative 15 upon 16. Now multiply negative 7 upon 5 is equal to x. Okay, so 5 3s are negative 3 times. So we have negative positive 30 by 35 over 16 is equal to x. And this is the answer of this question. And in the mixed fraction, answer should be 16 to the 32, 3 will be the remainder, 16. This will be the answer of the x. Now move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is very important question. Let's check question number 4. I again request to all my students, please don't forget to like my videos and comment your suggestion. Your suggestion is very important for me. They are motivate me to help you. They motivate me to crack your doubts in mathematics and give you more deep knowledge in mathematics. I want to teach you each and every topic of mathematics with deep sense of, with a deep concept. Now comes to question number 4. The parameter of an isosceles triangle if one of its equal side is 2 is to 5 by 6 centimeter, find the third side. Find the third side. So this is the question we have to solve here. Let's solve this question. This is the triangle we have, and in this triangle what we have, this side equal to this side, and this is non-equal side. This is non-equal side, not equal side. So the dimension of equal side here, 2 is to 5 by 6 centimeter and 2 is to 5 by 6 centimeter. So dear students, solve this question. Given parameter of, let this triangle, this side, this vertex is A, this B and this C. The parameter of triangle ABC is given here, 10 is to 3 by 4 centimeter. Now what is the definition of parameter? Sum of all side, that AB plus BC plus AC. Here AB and AC are equal sides, will equal to B. Now open this mixed fraction. So we have 43 by 4 centimeter. Now put the value of AB and AC. So BC remains same here, the value. Now open this mixed fraction, 12 plus 5. 17 by 6 is the value of AB and 17 by 6 is the value of AC, is equal to 43 by 4 centimeter. Now solve this question. BC remain here. Now add these two because denominator is same. So 17 plus 17 is 34, will equal to be 43 upon 4 centimeter. Now BC, when this value goes to right hand side, become negative. So 43 upon 4 remain positive and negative 34 by 6. Now take the LCM. LCM must be 12. So 4 3s are 12 and 3 going to multiply here. So 3 3s are 9 and 12. Negative 6 2s are, that is 68. Now solve this further. So BC will be equal to, subtract this, so we have 1 and 6 upon 12 centimeter, or the answer will be in mixed fraction. So 5 12 are 60, 1 is remainder, 12 is denominator. So this will be the answer, centimeter. Don't forget to apply this centimeter because the length, all the dimension are given in centimeter and it is a distance. So every distance has its units. So the unit of this here is in centimeter. So don't forget to apply this. If you not apply this sign here, if you don't mention the unit, then your answer will be wrong. Now comes to solve question number 5. In question number 5 is given that the area of a rectangular table is 5 is to 3 by 8 meter square. If one of its side measure 2 is to 1 by 4 meter, find the length of the other side. So this is the question. Let's try to understand this question first, then crack. So here first I'll take a rectangle here. So this is rectangular shape, I think. This is the rectangle we have, and given that the area the area of this rectangle, I denote the area of this rectangle is given here 5:3 by 8 meter square. Let this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So my dear students, recall what you know about the rectangle. AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Why? Because opposite side. The opposite side of a rectangle is always equal. Okay. So given here if one of its side measure 2:1 by 3, let and we have to find the length. So this is the length. We have to find this, and let's say this is 2:1 by 4 meter. Then this will also 2:1 by 4 meter. So this is this 2:1 by 4 meter, and this is the length, and we have to find these side. This is equal to question mark. I hope you understand the concept. What is the given in this question? Let's write down something given here. Now solve. Area of rectangle. Rectangular table top will equal to be 5:3 by 8 meter square, and the formula length into breadth is equal to 43 by 8. So length, we have to find length, so length will be L and B will be here 2:1 by 4, that will be equal to 43 by 8. Now solve this question further. So we have length into 9/4 will equal to be 43 by 8. Let's move further. So when this is in multiply here, when it goes to right hand side, goes in divide like this. So L is equal to 43 by 8 divided by 9 by 4. You can do this way, or one more approach is here. The approach is here that this 4 is in divide, will goes to the numerator, and this 9 is in numerator, right side is goes to in denominator. So then you can apply here multiply sign and write 4 by 9. Okay, so 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So the answer will be 43/18 meter. This is the answer, and this answer may be in the mixed fraction. 18 2 ja 36 and 7/18 meter. In mixed fraction, this is the answer. In rational form, this is the answer. Now move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is very easy question. A train covers 80:4/5 kilometer in 1 hour. So how much distance will it cover in 4:3 by 4 hours? Question mark. So let's solve this question. Yeah. So given here distance covers in 1 hour is equal to 8:4 by 5 kilometer, my dear students, and we have to find distance cover in 4:3 by 4 hours. So small unit value is given here, and we have to find larger unit value. Then we apply the mathematical operation. Which mathematical operation we are going to apply here? Multiplication. So 8:4 by 5 multiplied by 4:3 by 4. So let's apply this. Now open this. We have 44 by 5 multiply, this is 4, 19/4. So 4 say 11 time. So what we have? We have 902/5. So this is the answer. and this is in kilometer. uh, 9012, yes. In decimal fraction we can say 5 is 1, 4 is to 5 kilometer. This is the answer in decimal form. In a mixed fraction form, this is the answer. Let's move to the next question. Question number 7. What is the perimeter of a quadrilateral whose four sides measure 3:1 by 6 centimeter, 2:3 by 4 centimeter, 4:5 by 12 centimeter, and 2:1 by 2 centimeter. So let's take a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is any shape which having four sides. So first try to understand the concept. So my dear student, this is the quadrilateral we have. This is the quadrilateral. It have four sides. This side is 3:1 by 6 centimeter. This side is 2:3 by 4 centimeter. This side will be 4:5 by 12 centimeter, and this is 2:1 by 2 centimeter. And we have to find the parameter. Let's say it is A, B, C, and D. So we can solve this question very easily. Parameter of quadrilateral A, B, C, D will be sum of all sides. That should be AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now put the value of these sides. So the value of AB is here 2:3 by 4 centimeter, BC here 4:5 by 12 centimeter, CD here 2:1 by 2 centimeter, and DA here 6:1 by 6 centimeter. Let's now open the mixed fractions in the improper fraction. So we have 811 by 4, we have 53 by 12, we have 5 by 2, we have 19 by 6, and the LCM will be 12. So 4 3s are 12, so we have 33, 12 1s are 12, we have 33, 2 6 ja, 5 6 ja 30, 6 2 ja 19 2 ja 38. Now add them. So 3 3 6 and 0 6 and 8 14, 4 1 carry forward, 3 3 3 is 9, 9 and 5 is 14, 14 and 1 54, 5 15. So we have 154 divided by 12. That should be, now cut this by 2, so 7 time and 7 time, this cut 6 time, so we have 77 by 6. Or in mixed fraction we have 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 5 is remainder, 6 is here centimeter. So this is the parameter of given quadrilateral of the sides. Okay, very good. Now in this video I have solved up to question number 7. Now move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is there. Rohit travels 1/1:1 kilometer from home to school. So in short, home to school distance is given here 1:1/8 kilometer. From school to skating ring, from school to skating ring The distance is given here 5 by 6 kilometer, and 2 by 3 kilometer from skating ring to work. Next distance is given here, skating ring टू वर्क, यानी ऑफिस के लिए जो डिस्टेंस दी गई है बेटा, दैट इज़ गिवन 2/3 किलोमीटर, एंड फ्रॉम वर्क टू हिज होम. नाउ अगेन नेक्स्ट 4 डिस्टेंस इज गिवन हेयर, वर्क टू होम, that is 5/16 kilometer. We have to find how many kilometer did Rohit travel. So we have to find total distance. You can read the question in your book. So these are the distance. First he goes from home to school and travel this distance. Again he goes from school to skating ring and travel this distance. Again he goes from skating ring to work and travel this distance. Again he goes from work yani office to home and travel this distance. So these 4 distance he travel, and we have to find the total distance traveled by the Rohit. So we are going to write here total distance, total distance, total distance travel by Rohit. That should be the sum of all 4 distance. 1:1/8 kilometer, 5/6 kilometer, 2/3 kilometer, 5/16 kilometer. Small bracket, I write kilometer here. Now open the mixed fraction, take the LCM. So we have 9/8, 5/6, 2/3, 5/16, and the LCM will be here 48. 6 times 54, 8 times 40, 16 times 32, and 3 times 15. Now add them. So 4 to 6, 6 and 5 11, 1 is carry forward. 5 4 9, 3 12, 1 13, 1 14. Now cuts by 3, 4 times, 7 times, by 3, 1 time, 6 times. So we have 47/16, or in mixed fraction 2 is 15/16 kilometer. This is the total distance traveled by Rohit in all. Now move to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 8. My dear students, at the place of question number 8, I solve question number 9. That is Rohit travel that distance. The previous question is not question number 8. This is question number 9. Okay. Now I'm going to solve question number 8. Question number 8 is given here. If 1/3 of a number exceeds its 2/7/1, find the number. Find the number. This is very important question. Let's solve this question. So according to question, let the number is x, and the 1/3 of this number and 2/7 of this number is exceed. Given that, if we have number x and I do 1/3 of this, again I have x and I do 2/7 of this, so this is greater. And how much greater? This one is 1 is greater, 1 time 1 is greater. So this is the equation we have made from this. So now take the LCM in the left hand side. The LCM will be 21. So we have 7x and 6x is equal to 1. Now what we have, x upon 21 is equal to 1. So x will be here 21. This is the answer of this question. This thing is important. To make this equation is very important part of this question, my dear students. Now move to the question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10 given here. Concert ticket usually cost, okay, I'm going to write this. Concert tickets usually cost 20 is to 4 by 5 per person. 4 students, they are priced at 1 by 4 of the normal cost. How much will 6 tickets cost for students? So this is the question we have to find. So my dear students, understand the question first. Concert tickets usually cost 125 4 over 5 per person. For student, they are priced at 1 by 4 of the normal cost. So the first we have to find the cost for the students. Cost of concert ticket for one student, that will be, normal cost is 124 by 4 by 5, and the value will become 1 by 4 times for a student. So this is the cost of one ticket for the students. So let's solve this. We have 604 upon 5 going to multiply 1 by 2. Let's cut this by 2. So 302 and 2. So we have 302 by 10. Now cut this one again by 2. So 1 time, 5 time, 1 time, and by 2, 5. 1 is to 1 by 5. This is the cost for 1 students. And what we have to find? We have to find the cost for 6 students. So concert ticket cost for 6 student will be 151 by 5 multiply 6, that is 6 0 9 upon 5. 6 1 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30, 0 here, 3 is carry forward, 6 1 ja 6, and the answer will be 5 1 ja 5, 4 carry forward, 5 8 ja 5 1 ja 5, 1 is to 5. This is the cost for one student of the concert ticket, and this is the answer of this question. So here, thanks for watching this video, my dear students. Here we are complete exercise 1E is complete here, and it is the last exercise of this chapter, last exercise of rational number. If you have any doubt, my dear students, so please comment in the comment section. I will help you and make a doubt video for you. And in the upcoming video, we are going to solve exponent chapter. First we are going to teach you the each and every concept of exponent, then solve each and every question of each and every exercise. So if you like my way of teaching, so please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more update. Thank you very much for supporting me.